What's up, guys? Tonight, I'm finally trying this Blizzard right here. It's called Candy Cane Chill Blizzard. Made out of candy canes and some chocolate chips. So here it is. Gonna give these ones a try. So here we go. Mmm, delicious. This Blizzard tastes really, really, really good. It has candy canes and some chocolate chips. This is the best for Christmas season. So let's give that another try. You might hear some loud crunching noises. Good and crunchy. Here we go. Yummy. Yummy Blizzard that I ever tasted. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend it. Try this Blizzard from DQ. Anyways, see you tomorrow in day 3.